All right, everyone. This is a great map of Tuscany with all the different areas. And here is Siena, kind of in the middle, in the center. Then we visited Asciano, Buonconvento, Montalcino. And today we are here in Monticchiello.
All right, and again, the goal here is everybody's familiar with Siena and Tuscany, but they're not familiar with all these little villages all around Tuscany, which are some of the hidden gems, some of the real beautiful parts of Tuscany that most people haven't been to. So today it's all about this town. Let's go. We got a great video for you today. In fact, we've got a big series for you. That's right, 5 videos, part of our Tour of Tuscany Hidden Gems. These are all the little villages. And if you haven't, definitely subscribe, hit that like button, check out our Facebook, Instagram, and our website, How to Have Fun Outdoors. That's right, folks. We're in Italy. You know, Alice's from Italy. So we're gonna get the ultimate walking tour of some of the coolest little villages all around Siena and all the different parts of Tuscany, and you're gonna get to see it here exclusively on How to Have Fun Outdoors. That's right, not too many YouTube channels got an American married to an Italian, so you're gonna get the inside look to these really cool places. Next time you go to Italy, don't just go to the tourist attractions like Siena and Rome. Also go to all these beautiful little towns that are spectacular, great food, great wine, great everything. And you are going to love this. So this is kind of a walkthrough video. We'll be playing light music in the background, taking you through the different villages, throwing out a bunch of facts for you as we go through this. But it's a 5-part series. You're gonna get to see 5 different little hidden gem villages. And let's go ahead and get started as we drive into this really beautiful little town with a very small population of just 200 residents. That's right. Take a look at this. It is absolutely awesome. From this village are remarkable, and no question about it, if you love wine, olive oil, grains, it doesn't get better than this. One of the #1 things that I love going to Italy is the food, and it's so good. It's nothing like going and traveling and coming to new places, but when you have that lunch and that dinner, it is just phenomenal.
Passing through the big door inside of the main entrance of the town. Let's go and check it out inside.
This town is absolutely gorgeous. It's a medieval village with the origins dating back to the 13th century. The medieval roots are still evident in the well-preserved stone walls and narrow streets that characterize this village. As I mentioned, this is a 5-part series. We're going to go to 5 different villages. But all of these are absolutely an amazing places to go. If you're taking your spouse, you're looking for romance, you're looking to get away from the huge crowds and get that real flavor of Tuscany, you're gonna love these videos. So this is a popular destination who's looking, if you're looking for that authentic Tuscan experience, this is it. Visitors come to these scenic views, historical sites, in all of the beautiful atmosphere, right? All right, here we are at a little restaurant in this cool little medieval village. And take a look at this. At night, this lines up with all kinds of people, and you're gonna get your favorite Tuscany meal in a very romantic location. This place is awesome. It's worth the trip. Definitely outside of Siena by about an hour, but these little towns are so cool to come and visit, and they're so wonderful. Let's go check out the rest of it. like a little kid when you run around these little villages because there's all kinds of different alleys and beautiful homes and all kinds of stairs going up to different areas. And there's also a lot of cultural heritage there, and even living museums and artwork that you're not going to see in other places. But this place was absolutely gorgeous. Flowers everywhere. The stonework was incredible. The people were friendly, and definitely one of the coolest places we went in Tuscany. The village main church, dedicated to St. Leonard and Christopher, dates back to the 13th century also. Absolutely amazing inside. And boy, oh boy, did we have a great time here with all of the history to check out. And here's more from Alicia.
Right underneath this church, there is a nice little restaurant that right now is closed, but I suggest you to look into it. It's called La Taverna del Bronzone. This little town, they are so cute with all the little homes, people that lives here, and they make their home unique with really nice flowers and vegetation and little corners.
All right, there's no better way to get around Tuscany than a Vespa. That's right, folks. These things are amazing. We highly recommend renting one if you can when you go through all these little villages. It's fantastic.
Lavatoio, historic place where people in town were washing their clothes. It's kind of the laundry room of today's day. It was nice, you were meeting all your friends, talking and washing all your clothes. There are different big sink. That was really nice. Here, like, there are all the songs, or most of the songs that they were represented during the theater. This location was used as the tour theater, and there are all the most common and famous, I would say, different songs represented here. And over on our left as well is called Giardino del Cassero, and is an area where artists present their art, and you can just walk around and enjoy it.
Yeah, the sculptures are amazing, and it's all the local artists that have their own little garden to display their artwork. I officially name this the Leaning Wall of Monticchiello. Take a look at this, folks. Alice's standing straight up, and this wall is definitely leaning over, the last of this fort. It is super cool. I think it's fair to say that Monticchiello definitely got destroyed by Siena in that major city. So many of these little villages, you see the beautiful castles and the beautiful walls. I love this little village because you can see what it looked like when you got attacked and your castle got damaged. Take a look at all the destruction with these walls and this castle. It is remarkable. This village had so much history with all of the walls that surrounded it, plus the castle and different things we're going to show you in a minute. But if you haven't, definitely hit your subscribe button down below. It means so much to us. Check out our sister channel, How to Have Fun Cruising. We do cruising all over the world, and definitely subscribe to How to Have Fun Outdoors. We've got trips from Africa to Australia to Japan. You will absolutely love this channel for all kinds of vacation ideas. Let's get back to more history with Alice.
This is another great part of the history of this fort. This fort was extremely important to block the emperor from Austria to conquer this area with Siena and Montalcino. they were able to actually arrive all the way to Monticchiello, and then thanks to this great fort and the defense that this fort actually put together, they were able to stop and cause the Austrian emperor to go back and leave Siena alone for the moment. Look at that! You can see the enemy for miles from here. Originally bathrooms, they were not in the house, but they were in the common areas between different families. Then the second step was to adding bathroom to each house, and that is why you have that built outside. And each one of these built outside was a bathroom for the family.
Wow.
Alright, it's lunchtime. We are having a nice picnic in front of the view of Tuscany. Pienza is in front of us, and we are eating cecchino. We have cecchino with zucchini, with potatoes, or with tomatoes, or the pizza style that my mom is enjoying. This is typical of this area and is extremely good.
Well, we hope you enjoyed this video from How to Have Fun Outdoors. This was our first village on our tour of Tuscany. As you guys know, Alice is from Italy. She grew up in Lake Como, but her family had a vacation home here in Tuscany, and this is her favorite place in the whole world. So you're going to get to see her show us all around. Subscribe, hit that like button, comment down below. Have you been to Italy? What's your favorite part of Italy? Have you been to Tuscany? Let us know down below, and thank you so much for watching How to Have Fun Outdoors.